Hello and welcome to Zonoswap. Today's video is about migrating Zono version 2 tokens to Zono version 3 tokens. We are moving to version 3 that has better features, more farms and more pools. So let's now see how to migrate from Zono version 2 tokens to Zono version 3 tokens. This link that allows you to migrate from your version 2 to version 3 tokens is v3.zonoswap.com/migration. I will put the link in the description so that it is easy for you to connect from there. As of now, let's see what the process is like. So I'm at this page and I'm accessing this page from my mobile phone. And in this page, you can see that it says Zono migration. Send your ZONOV2 tokens and get instantly one time Zono version 3 tokens back. So I have already migrated my Zono version 2 tokens, some part of my Zono version 2 tokens. You can see that the Zono tokens migrated till date are 672,646.326 Zono version 2 tokens that have been migrated. And there is also a max limit per user, which is 1 crore Zono version 2 tokens. I have to connect my wallet to see what the status of my migration is. I have already migrated some bit of my Zono version 2 tokens. So let's connect my wallet now. I have accessed Zonoswap here from MetaMask, so it should be really easy. There is also a video on how to access Zonoswap from MetaMask, so I'll give the link of that video as well. So for now, let us connect my wallet. And when I click on connect wallet, it shows up the options. So you can see that all the options that are available in Zono version 2 are available here in Zono version 3. So let me click on connect wallet. So it is asking me for reconfirmation. I click on connect. And here you can see that I have some Zono version 2 which is 19,000 something, 1900 something. And I'll click on max. So it takes up all the Zono version 2 tokens that I have in my wallet right now, and I'll click on migrate. So you can see that I've already migrated some bit of Zono tokens, Zono version 2 tokens, and it is showing me how many Zono version 2 tokens I have migrated already. So I'll migrate this bit more, which is 1900 something. Let's click on migrate. And it is asking for the transaction fee, which I allowed, which I approved. You can see that the migration is in process. It shows migrating. Okay, the migration is complete. How did I get to know about it? You can see that you migrated, the data in my you migrated section changes to 302863. Previously it was 283 comma something, some figure which I don't exactly remember, but I do remember the first three figures. But right now it has increased to 3,02,863.355 Zono version 2 tokens I have migrated in total. So let me now check my Zono, my MetaMask, so that I can see whether I have the Zono in my MetaMask wallet. So if you don't see your Zono in your MetaMask wallet, you need to import tokens and you need to put the token address here. I'll just put the token address here. So this is the Zono version 3 token address, and I will mention the same in the description in this video so that you can get it from the description and you can import your tokens, Zono version 3 tokens. So the moment I put it, the Zono version 3 token symbol comes up and the token of precision is 18. These two information are automatically taken, and I'll click on import now. Okay, you can now see that I have 296,863.355 Zono version 3 tokens. So this is the process. It's a very simple one. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.